Jiangsu Xingyong Aluminium Science and Technology Company Limited, located in Huai'an City, Jiangsu Province, premier Zhou hometown. The company has been dedicating to produce aluminum product and plastic. It covers an area of 100 mu, registered area 36 million RMB. It is a large integrated enterprise with research, production and trading. The company has passed the standard attestation of ISO 9001-2008, ISO 14001-2004, ISO TS 16949-2009, Xingyong Luye Trademark Registration Certificate, 6-item Certificate of Utility Model Patent. There are 10 lines for casting, mold, extrusion, oxidation, machining, extension, smooth finish, section, relevant plastic and so on. There is also England Oxford Instruments, Israel Ramadat Profile Measuring System, Research Center. The company has advanced production process for aluminum products and plastic products. Annual output 18,000 tons of aluminum products and 2,400 tons plastic products. It is the biggest supplier for cleaning tools. Product categories consist of aluminum telescopic pole, aluminum circular tube and tubes, aluminum ribbed tube, aluminum square tube, aluminum hexagon tube, aluminum solid bar, mop, solar cover reel, snow shovel, baggage car, clean and cleaning brush, handle and so on. The products can be applied in many areas. For example, aerospace, ship, high-speed rail, metro, streetcar, car, motorcycle, sharing a bike, 3C electronic, medical apparatus and instruments, high-end furniture, LED lamps and lanterns, civil aluminum, industrial aluminum profile. The products are sold to home and abroad, receive admiration from consumers. We are sincerely looking forward to establishing long-term business relationships with clients worldwide for our mutual benefits.